Hello guys, hello, welcome you all for this end-to-end session of AIML where you're gonna learn everything that you guys need to now to become a successful data scientist. So it is gonna be a year-long program, guys. Please subscribe to our channel so that we will be posting every day this session, so you will be not missing any of your videos. So yeah, before going for the session, as always, please make sure that you guys have watched all the previous session videos so that you can have a better understanding of what we are seeing now. So guys, today will be the continuation of previous session. I will be very sure if you guys are not watching the previous session video, you don't be understanding anything. Okay. So yeah, if you guys need to have a better understanding of today, please watch the previous session video. So it is a day one video of SQL. We have just introduced how to use the SQL. I will do one thing. I will just go the glimpse of it, but please make sure that you guys have watched previous session video so that you can have a better and proper understanding of what we will be going to do to today. Okay, it's gonna be simple commands, and then we will be moving on to the advanced commands. Okay, so I will just come to the previous session. I will have a review of it. Okay, we will just go through. Okay, so what we have done in the previous session, we have used a SQLite library which is available in Python in order to do the SQL in Python itself. Okay, we are not installing anything. It's an in-memory SQL database. Okay, so we have just imported SQLite 3 and we have just connected the connected the SQLite or SQL in the Python using in-memory. And then guys, I'm gonna go in a manner like a read kind of manner, because like we have an entire session in the previously. Please make sure that you have a watch. I'm just gonna review everything. Okay, so in order to create a table, we have a create query where create table name. Within the circle bracket we will be having the uh, like column name together with its data type. Once we have created a table, we need to insert the data, right? For that we are having insert command like insert into table name, and within the circle bracket we need to provide the column names, values, and then we need to give the column values. That's it. Okay, once we have done with it, we need to commit it, and we need to use the select command. Select star from table name. A star means the column. You can go put necessary columns that you need also. And then in order to just visualize it, I'm gonna use the for loop because the rows has all the values. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm just gonna display this because we have inserted four records. Now we are having four records. Okay. So I have created, I have inserted, I have visualized. Now I'm gonna delete one record. So now to delete a record, we have a command like delete from table name where condition. Okay, I'm using name equal to Raja. So name equal to Raja. So this fourth record will be deleted. We will be having three remaining records. Once I've deleted, I have committed it, and then I'm using the select step, and again I in order to print it again. So you guys just see here. Once I am printing it, you guys see here, we are having only three records because the records with the name Raja is deleted. Okay, guys, this is everything that we have done in the previous session. Don't like why this guy is going this much fast. Don't think like that. We have done entire content in the previous session. Make sure you guys have watched the previous session before coming for this session. So yes sir, over to you. So yeah, so these are all the things that we are having in the previous session. So if you guys have not watched the previous session, please make sure that you guys have watched the previous session with 100% understanding. If you guys are missing anything, or if you guys need any support, please ping us in the comments. We are here to help you. Okay. So moving on, like sir, is there anything that you need to add related to the previous session, like introduction kind of thing? Okay. If nothing is there, like we will move on to this session. Okay. So yeah, guys, like today, today we're gonna see a simple commands together with the advanced queries. Okay. So yeah, day two. Today we're gonna update the data in the table. Okay. This is what the table that we are having. Okay. One, two, three, name, and then we are having age and together with their grades. Okay. Hope you guys are able to understand. This is a table. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do means we're gonna update this Ravi record, and the age we're gonna update to 30. Okay, manually how will you guys will do? Okay, just see, I need to update the Ravi's age as 30 from 20. How we can do? We need to find the name Ravi, and then we need to go to the age column. We need to rewrite it as a 30. Okay. The same thing that we're gonna do in this update query. Okay, update, guys, please make notes of it. Okay, if you guys have a phone with you, just make notes of it, or You just make note of in the paper on notebooks, anything that you have. Update table name, set field name equal to value, and then var condition. That's it. Okay. Hope you guys have write it down. Okay. Yeah. Now from this example, I'm gonna update the Ravi's age as 30. How I can do it? Update. What is the table name? Students. Set. What I need to set? Age value to 30. Okay. Where what is the condition? Name is equal to Ravi. So wherever the name is Ravi, I'm gonna set its his age as 30 by executing this update command. Okay. Clear, right? Now once I've done it, I need to commit it, and then I'm using the same select statement in order to display whatever we are having. Okay, using the for. Guys, see here, we are having three records, but see, hopefully it is changing, right? Ravi's age is now 30. Before that it is 20. Okay, I hope like this is simple update command. I don't want to explain this further in order to make it confusing. Okay, simple update command whenever based on the condition what you need to change, that's it. Okay, so yeah sir, anything that you need to explain like related to this update commands?
Yeah. So it is well explained. When we have to update, so we are updating date in the table. That's it. So there is no rocket science here. It's very simple English, which we have to just execute. And then if we have to change, we'll again go to change, and we select data from the table and whatever data we want to change. Yeah. So update data in the table, updated student set age is 30, where name is equal to Ravi, all those things. So whatever you want to update the data, you update it, and then you want to make changes, you can go below and you can make the changes. And wherever you want to make, you have to be very specific, and then you have to display the data again, whatever changes you made. So are those changes made or not? So you will check with the display data, you will print it. That's it.
Yeah, that's case. Okay. So guys, just I need to just create a summary out of it, what we have done till this point. Guys, make sure that you have watched the previous video, but because like you're gonna need a continuation. Okay, so I'm just expecting you guys to watch the previous session, at least previous session video, so that you can now know what is we are explaining. Okay. First thing, guys, SQLite 3.connect memory. It's an in-memory database which is lost after the script is entered. Okay. Once I have run this and I destroyed the environment, everything will go off. Okay. So like the major thing I'm doing is we are all a learners, right? We are just stepping our like a first step to SQL. Okay, I'm just doing it not to make a favor for you, like start to do it. Okay, if I'm just asking you guys to go download the Oracle, set the environment variable, and then create the table, access the data, delete it, so no one will go and do. Okay, if I am a student who are listening to it, I will not do. Okay, because like it's a tedious process. Like if it will install, or sometimes it will not install, there will be some dependency. And one thing, setting the environment variable is very tedious process, guys. So I'm just putting everything aside. We are okay, and we are just using collab. It's an online environment. Just go choose it, create a new notebook and play with it. Okay, by using the SQL 3 in order to do like this kind of SQL related content. Okay, if you guys doesn't know how to set up this, first session of the like I think for a Python, we have just introduced this environment to you guys. Okay, please watch that video. Okay, so yeah, this SQL 3, as mentioned, this is for the completely for the SQL related language in order to run it in the collab or in a Python. Create table, it is used to create a new table with table name. Here it is students. Insert into, which is used to add a records to the table which is created. Like here it is students. Select star from students. It is like in order to retrieve all the data, because star is there, right? It is used to retrieve all the data from the students table. Whereas delete from the table, like which is used to remove the records or delete the records from the table. Finally, today we have seen the update command, which is used to update the records which is present in the student tables. Guys, In simple manner I will say, very very easy thing guys, whatever English that we are using, same thing it is in a form of a query, but like we should follow some rules and regulations, some keywords. It should be like this is what it should be. Okay. Yeah, so that is what all about this explanation. Yes, sir, over to you.
Yeah, guys, see, be very clear, be in the present moment, guys. Okay, don't be get overwhelmed with the past or future. Remain in present moment, be very simple, keep control over thoughts, don't run thoughts, okay? Just absorb information, concepts properly, whatever we are teaching. Just learn that first, take first step, then you go to the next step. So with that logic, go and watch all the previous sessions from start till end. Again, what is the objective function you are learning this? If you are learning only SQL, then it's okay. But if you want to become data scientist, you want to become AI and ML engineer, you want to become AI scientist, you want to become deep learning engineer or data engineer, you need to learn all these things. And for that, 5 to 10 times watch all the sessions and write in the comment section what have you learned, what is the, how you are applying it, and what is the objective function, long-term objective function for your career, why you are learning this. Second, subscribe to our channels and press the bell icon so that you will get notification for each session. So coming to here, like let's summarize it, okay? So SQL is a very powerful tool. Keep things simple, have clarity of concepts, so it'll absorb easily, digest easily, and apply. So SQLite 3 connect, memory you have to connect it. We'll just go through whatever we have learned, summarizing it. So it's a very, very good, like you can use it Google in Google Colab. So it creates a memory database which is lost after the script ends. Okay, so that is very important. So that is, you need to remember that. So it create the table command, create new table name student, suppose. Okay, then insert into command, add records to the student table. So you need to be very specific when you're using these queries. Select from student command, retrieve all the data from the student table. Delete from command, remove records from the student table. So you need to tell, okay, I gave example when we started SQL. I asked that there is a servant who is not educated, and how you're going to give instructions to the that servant. So you need to tell which, you have a library and you want him to bring a book from the library. So you will tell from the first shelf, fourth book, you take from the left side. You be very specific, he will get the book. Similarly, computer is also like a servant or a illiterate program, or you can say it's not literate, right? It doesn't have any consciousness. So you have to make him conscious, make him aware, and give specific, clear, specific step to step instructions so that it will get your work done. So it will retrieve data, it will delete data, it will update data, it will create table, it will whatever it will do. You need to be very specific, step by step you have to instruct so that you can perform the functions and your objective function, whatever outcome you have in that particular project. So why we're reiterating it? So that reinforced learning happens, and when revision happens fast or in 24 hours, so you build muscle memory and you get that kind of awareness and consciousness, and you will never forget when you do a lot of revision. That's why standard for a lifelong learning, standard for keeping that concept remembered is you do 5 to 10 times is an average, guys, revision, so that you absorb, digest, and apply the knowledge or concepts. And if you do that, you will never ever forget 90 plus whatever exams you're giving, whatever projects you're giving, you will be always successful ahead. You will not get frustrated. So apply these principles and write in the comment section. Give us feedback how we can improve these sessions more so that we can bring more and more value, and subscribe to our channels and press the bell icon so that you will get each session, should not miss any session. And you have to do a lot of revisions, 5 to 10 times, and then and only you will build a conscious muscle memory which will help you for lifelong learning, and you will keep become a lifelong learner, continuously learn. And we are here to help you. Write in the comment section. Thank you so much.
Yeah, guys. So I think hope these are all the basic queries that we are having. Moving on, we're gonna see some advanced queries. Okay, guys, don't think like advanced means it's a very big. No, no. Compared to the things that we have done previously, this is what somewhat I will say it's a level one. Okay, till now we have seen level zero. Now it is a level one. Okay, okay. What are the advanced queries we are having? We will be using join, group by, and order by to perform some complex data retrieval operations. Okay, like if you know these queries also, then I hope like this is enough for doing data science. Okay, if you want to become a SQL engineer or SQL developer, you need to know somewhat more out of it. Okay, there are different things. Okay, I will just explain after the completion of this. I will just explain. If you guys need to have like a SQL developer, okay, then you need to know some more queries also. Okay, for data science, for retrieving the data, for processing the data, for having the data in a structured form, for unstructured to structured, this and all, like I think it will be enough. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna see some advanced queries like join, group by, order by to perform some complex data retrieval operation. First example. Okay, here, guys, tell me. Here it is create. That means we are creating a table. Okay, now I'm going to create a new table with the name of course, where the table feature is ID and course name, and I'm giving an integer value to ID, and same time I'm just giving the primary key. So it will be automatically incremented. One, two, we doesn't need to specify the things. And course name I'm just giving in the text. So once I have created a table, I need to insert the record, right? I'm just inserting the record, okay, using insert command. Insert into table name is course, and course name is the feature name. You guys in here, okay. Value is mathematics, physics. Three records we have inserted, and I'm gonna commit it. And when I'm displaying it, you guys see here I'm having 1 2 3 uh, mathematics, physics, because like that's the thing. You guys can ask me, I have just given mathematics, physics, why I'm getting 1 2 3 in the first place, because I have already specified that ID is the primary key and it is integer. So that's the reason the in-memory SQLite it itself took unique values for the primary key from starting from 1. Okay, 1 2 3, that's it. Okay, now we are having two tables. Guys, now you can ask me why you are saying two tables. This is one table, and then we are having students table, right? This is another table. Okay, now I'm gonna perform join on it. Okay, how to perform the join? Please make notes of this syntax. It's a very simple syntax. I will explain. Select table 1 dot table in feature, comma, table 2 dot table 2 feature from table 1, join table 2 on table 1 dot primary key, which is equal to table 2 dot primary key. That's it. We gonna join these two tables. Let's do it in a manual manner. This is what the second table, and this is what the first table. In the first table and second table, what is the common column that we are having? ID, right? 1 2 3, and here also it is 1 2 3. In order to combine both the things, we need to have the unique, like one is ID, another one is course ID. That's it. Okay, right? So that's the thing. So you guys see here student.id, course.id, both are common. So we are just conditioning, we are just combining or joining the things by using the student.id and then course.id. That's what the conditions we are having. Great. Okay, now I'm gonna select what are the columns that we need. From the student column I need a name. From courses column I need a course name. That's it. Okay, student column, what is the name column? In student table, what is the name column? John Dio, Janet Smith, and then Ravi. That's it. Okay, we're gonna have only names. Okay, once we have a name, For course table I have course names. So these are the course name: mathematics, physics. So from student table, the previous table that we had, okay, I will just show again. This is what the table, and then join off the next table, right? Join off next table. So this is course table. This table, I'm just joining. So you guys tell me what will be the result. I will say 1, 2, 3, okay, and we will be having student name and then the course name. That's it, okay. Because why 1, 2, 3 is not there? Because based on that we have just fixed it. Here also we will be having 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. So whenever the one and one matches, it will return all the records. It will be having name from the record of students, and then subject from the record of the, sorry, courses from the record of the course table. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you guys see here we have merged two different tables based on the simple operation of join. Okay, using this join operation. Okay, hope you guys have understand this. Yes sir, over to you.
Yeah, this is very, very simple, guys. So joining two tables, this is what we have conceptually we have studied in our previous sessions. So here we are applying. So how we do it through code, that is, we again select the student's name, course from the students, join course on student's ID because that is constant. Student ID is constant, like uh, so that we have to join the subjects as per the because ID 1, 2, or 3. So that is already there, that is common. So here we are joining student ID equal to course ID because we know that this is common, right? So then we go and rows equal to cursor fetch call, and then we print join table where it will join the rows, and then we have the John. See, John Dio, they are in mathematics. Jenny Smith, they are in physics class. Ravi is in physics class. So you will not have redundancy, you will not have overlap. Here it will be very simplified, and the objective function is join. Na? So you are joining mathematics, the subjects, with the students. So these two tables we have joined with this function, okay, and with common student, like with student ID equal to course ID because we know. So there should be logic when you are saying student ID equal to course ID. There should be a logic. If it is opposite to the logic, then you will have a wrong table, joint table. So there should be a logic why you are using student ID equal to course ID. So in programming, guys, only logic works. If you are logically clear, your logic is clear, so you will have a clear output. Because ultimately your logic is clear, you will write a clear logical instruction which will result into a clear output. So it's very simple. Huh? Keep things simple, keep logical, and then you have a clear output, which is the join table. We've joined two tables, and this is how we perform joining function in SQL.
Yeah, that's the thing, guys. Okay, now we're gonna see some more advanced queries. Okay, grouping data and aggregating function. Okay, now what I'm gonna do means just look into this query. It's a simple query. Select courses dot course name. I need a course name, and I'm gonna do count star as student count. That is, I'm gonna count number of courses. Okay, number of unique courses, how much count is. Okay, so I will say put it in this manner. We are having courses, right? How many count of each course is present? That's it. This is what the count star will do, and I'm gonna assign to a column name called as student count. From the same thing, courses join students, and then I'm gonna join it based on the condition. Okay, whichever the column is like a static or like a primary key, I'm just giving as a condition. Finally, I'm just grouping by the student like courses dot courses name. Okay, based on that I'm just grouping. Okay, now what this count function will do means It gonna count, give 1, 2, 3, like that it will go. For the course name. Guys, mathematics, how many counts are there? One. Physics, we are having two counts. Okay, how it should be? We need a course name. Mathematics, physics. And then we will be giving the student count, right? What will be the things? Mathematics 1, physics 2. That's it, right? Let's see the result. Okay, this is what the group data. Okay, mathematics, physics. Mathematics, there is only one. Physics, there are two. I hope like this is very much clear. Okay, there is no rocket science. Okay, this is simple thing. I have just selected the course name. So course name in the first category, first column. Then I'm just saying that count the course name. That is how many courses, how many number of courses present, and then their count. Okay, two courses present. Mathematics, physics. Mathematics present for only one time. Physics present for two times. That's it. Okay. I hope like this is a simple example. Understanding grouping data as well as aggregating data. This kind of function is called as aggregation. Some count, min, max are called as aggregation. Here I'm just using count. Whereas for this group by, we can say this is what the group by. Okay, how you need to group your data. You can have one and two. How you need to go for the grouping. One means we are having only one count in the mathematics subject, whereas two means we are having two count in the physics subject. That's it. That is what all about this grouping data as well as using aggregate functions. Okay. So yes, sir. Over to you.
Yeah, very good. Very clearly explained. Grouping data using aggregate function, guys. So again, so it depends. It's we are giving one example here. It depends what is the objective function of your grouping data, guys, and using for what you're using aggregate function. It depends on that. Okay. Don't say okay, you just copy paste what we are saying. It depends on your data. What you want, what is the output you want. Okay. So here we have this select course name count function as student count from course join student on course id equal to course student id by grouping you have to group by course name. See, again I'll tell you, so there are logical functions here also. One is code is okay, but there are logical functions. You need to visualize that when you are when you read any code or you working with the code, just understand that. So join student on student id which is equal to course id which is equal to student id. So you have to tell what a is equal to b or b is equal to a. You have to define that. You have to tell again, and by you have to specifically tell, and you group by course name. You have to tell specifically to the program that you have you, so here what we have done is we have asked, okay, this is course id is equal to you have to count the courses in the particular table. We are talking about particular table, guys. This is for particular table and particular student ID and course ID regarding that. So we have asked select course name, select the course name as student count from the courses. Okay. So we are exactly telling from particular courses join student on course ID which is equal to student ID group by course name. Then it will print what? Mathematics one time, okay, and physics two times. Because there are uh, see mathematics though John Dio is there is a one student who has joined for the mathematics, and Jenny Smith physics, Ravi physics. That is why John Dio is one, because there's one student who is in the class of mathematics, okay, course. He is enrolled for the mathematics course, and physics there are two. It is simple inference from the data, guys. So this is what is the output when we ask this way. So you can ask other way, other data point, depending on what a data is there and what output you want.
Yeah, that's great, sir. Okay. So yeah, guys, that is what we are having. Okay. So that is what for grouping data and then aggregate function. Guys, if you guys are feeling any difficulty, anything that you guys cannot understand, please ping us in the comments. So we are here to help you. Okay. And please subscribe to our channel, guys, because every day we're gonna upload a session. And please watch the sessions, all the session, and get a proper idea of what we are saying. So yeah, that's it. Hope like you guys have understand this group by and then aggregate function. Okay, if you guys doesn't understand, just put it in the comment. We will take up that and we will help you. Okay, moving on, we are having ordering data. Okay, I will say compared to the group by and aggregate, it will be easier. Okay, how we can order the data? Select name grade from students table. Okay, go for the students table where it is. Yeah, where we are having students table. Yeah, this is what the student table we are having, right? Name and then grade. Name is this, grade is this. Name is John Dio, Dennis Smith, and then Ravi. Grade is A, B, B. Okay. Now, coming here, it is saying order by. Name, grade from students table, order by grade. Okay. Grade is A, B, B. In descending order. That means B, B, A, right? We are having A, B, B. The record is in that form. But now we need to put it in a descending order. That is B, B, A. Okay. If it doesn't put this descending order, it will be ascending order. Okay. This means DESC means descending order. But we have mentioned that it should be descending order. If you remove this, it will be ascending order because like A, B, B. But we need to see the change, right? So that I have just put the descending order. I have committed it and then I'm just giving the order by and then I'm just printing this for loop. Now you can see James Smith and then Ravi and then John Dio. Now BBA. That's it. Because it's a descending order. Before that, before order by, it is in the A, okay, this is what the student class. After doing order by, you guys can see it is in the different way, right? B and then A. Okay. Hope everything is clear. Hope everything is clear. Okay. Yeah. So explaining the thing, the simple things like once order by is completed, we will explain these things. Okay. Join. Join operation used to combine two different tables. It can be any number of tables. Like now we have joined two different tables, students and course table, based on the related column that is ID. Group by is a class that is used to group the results. Here we have grouped the results of course name and uses a count star, which is to count the number of students in each course, which is for the aggregation function. And we have used the order by class, which is used to order the students result by the grade in descending order because we have put this. Okay, if you doesn't put this, it will be in a ascending order. So I hope like yeah. So yeah, so over to you.
Yeah, exactly. So, guys, let us summarize it. Join, we have combined two rows from the student and course table based on the related column ID. Okay. So then we have grouped by clause group and resulted by course name and use count to count the number of students in each course. And then ordered, we have ordered in a descending order, or ascending comes by default and descending you have to write DESC. Okay. The order by clause order the result of grade in descending order. So this is these are the advanced functions queries which will help you to go deeper. So once you get little hands on, when you start practicing, you practice this, so you will get familiarized with the particular syntax and user interface and the functionalities. So you will develop an interest, okay, solving problems, understanding data, analyzing, cleaning, manipulating, all the characteristics, whatever you want for the model, or you want to clean data, you want to pre-process, or a lot of things you can do. Just understand these things, and so that you will get intuitiveness in this, and then there is no problem with simplicity. So um, watch all the sessions 5 to 10 times, understand and absorb the information, digest and apply the information. That is very important. And write us in the comment section, what have you learned, how you're going to apply, what is your objective function for your long-term career, and also give us feedback how we can improve each session, and we'll be always there to help you. Stay connected, and thanks.
Yeah, guys. So yeah, that's all about the SQL. We have introduced a basic of SQL. We have seen basic queries, now advanced queries. Okay, this is enough for data science. Now I have something for you. Okay, assignment. Okay, so what you guys need to do means you guys need to perform this basic and advanced SQL queries using any of your own datasets. We have created our own dataset, right? We have created simple dataset, students table and then course table. You create your own dataset and then perform basic and advanced queries that we have given today. Okay, and just once you have guys have done, send us in any form that you guys like in the comment section. Okay, so yeah, that's all from my side, guys. Please make sure that you've done with this assignment. So hoping to see you how you have attempted this assignment, guys. One thing, whenever we are saying you guys need to do the assignment, it's not like it should be 100% right. We need you guys to just make a try of it. Okay, because like we are here to guide you. Make a try. If you guys are facing any difficulties, please let us know. So yeah, that's it from our side, guys. So hope you guys have enjoyed this session. So today it's a coding session, right? So hope it is very interesting for you guys. So yeah, that's it from my side. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much. We will all meet in the next session. Until then, bye, guys.
Yes, so guys, kindly do the assignments and submit that assignment in the comment section, and also you can send us an email, connect@nobletransformationhub.com, your assignment. So we'll review and we'll get back to you. And you can write in the comment section also. So it'll help you. Any feedback, any improvements, anything. So you write in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you in the next session. Thanks.
Yeah, guys. Take care. Bye.